Hi guys! It has been a month since I posted my last video, and it also has been a month since I started filming this video. So before I start this video, I would like to say thank you so much for more than 200 awesome subscribers. Thank you so much for supporting me, and if you haven't subscribed yet, click the subscribe button right now for covers and more videos like this. Thank you so much, and see you at the end of this video. Hi guys, it's Gwen and welcome to my channel! For today's video, we're finally going to bleach and dye my hair. Well, I'm not going to color all of it, just the lower half of it. Also, just a disclaimer, we are not professionals and this video isn't a tutorial either. We're just going to share the process of the bleaching and coloring my hair. The reason why my hair is like this is because I put virgin coconut oil on the part that I'm going to bleach. I started at 11 o'clock. We're going to leave it on for a few hours. And in preparation for bleaching, I also did not wash my hair for 4 days. So the products we're going to use are from HairPaintMNL. This is not sponsored, but I've heard really good reviews about their products. So let's go! This is it. It's my first time doing this, so I thought, why not film it? I brushed my hair first to get rid of tangles before we applied the bleach. I also wore a plastic bag to avoid staining my shirt. It did not take 10 minutes applying the bleach to the area since it's only a thin layer of hair. After applying the bleach, we left it on for 45 minutes and then washed it off. After the first bleach, my hair was a red-brown color between level 5 and 6. And we're back again after 2 days. We were supposed to wait for a week, but we got too excited. I left virgin coconut oil on my hair for an hour before we started bleaching it again. Brush the hair, section it, and then bleach. We left the bleach on for 45 minutes again and washed it off. After the second bleach, my hair was close to level 8. And now it's time to color. Here's the paint pot in ultraviolet that we are going to use. We sectioned the hair again and started applying it on dry hair. We should have placed plastic or paper on the floor sooner because later on it got messy because the color was dripping to the floor. I forgot to mention that the color smelled really good while we were applying it. When we started applying it too, that's when I realized that my hair color might turn out black or brown since my hair is yellowish and my dye is purple and they cancel out each other. I thought we should have bleached it more. I kind of got worried, but we'll see how it turned out soon. We left it on for 2 hours since that is the required time, and after washing it off, here's the color. So here's my hair after one wash. While I was washing it, it was still bleeding. While I was washing it, the color was still bleeding, but afterwards, even though my hair was wet, it didn't bleed onto my clothes. It faded, it got lighter and more noticeable. So I think I like it better now than before I washed it. After a month, I bleached and colored my hair again with the same bleach and dye that I used in this video. It's the same process, and of course after bleaching, my hair is lighter than the last time I bleached it. As a result, the color is more vibrant and it stays on longer. I have washed this several times already and the color is almost the same before I washed it. Overall, I really love how it turned out. It's really nice and soft until now. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell. And see you next time, guys!